Mama duck called quack, quack, quack. Where are my ducklings? Bring them back. 4 little ducks went out to roam over the fields away from home. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. Quack, 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 they waddled away over the hills to laugh and play. Mama duck called quack, quack, quack. Where are my ducklings? Bring them back. 3 little ducks went out to spree across the pond so wild and free. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. Oh dear, oh no, where did they go? The pond is wide, the hills do show. Mama duck called quack, quack, quack. Only 1 little duck came back.